Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're at Edmonton Zoo. I'm very excited. It's a nice sunny day and I'm excited to see animals, especially panda. That's my favorite one. And I'm gonna take you guys and let's go. So I have to tell you guys, if you're buying your tickets online, you just can come here, scan it. So just come straight to the zoo and you can buy your tickets at the gate. And also to the military families, they offer you a discount, which is pretty good, like saves you $2 to $5, I guess. So we took left from the front gate and now we're seeing, actually you can take a left or right, it just comes around to the same spot. So we're going from left and we see zebra. So when you start from the left side, the first animal you're gonna see is zebra, and it's right here. I see 3 of them just chilling and they look so pretty. Nice. It's my first time seeing zebra in real life, and such a beautiful animal, eh? I just saw reindeer just chilling there, eating their food. Oh my god, they look so pretty. And I'm just enjoying my ice cream. Oh my god. It's such a nice day. It feels hot. I'm still wearing like full sleeves because sometimes the wind is a little chilly, but I'm enjoying my day. They also started their train services. Like, it looks great. It's pretty good for, especially for the kids, like if you want to do it. And I don't know if it's included in the... Look, we have another one here. He's just chilling, eating his food. Oh my god, look at you, so pretty.
Yeah, look how depressed he looks.
Yeah, he looks a little depressed. But he's huge. Oh my god. No, just snack on that bucket, baby. He's so pretty. So there's like fun stuff for the kids over there, and then little rocky park where they can just climb. It is such a beautiful day, and this area, I'm pretty sure it's closer to Edmonton downtown, but it's very beautiful, nice, hilly, full of trees, like greenery. I'm like loving it so much. You can tell that I'm literally closer to the downtown Edmonton. Well, I wanted to see a wolf, but honestly, I think they're hiding or he's just somewhere up there, but I didn't see anybody. So, yeah, I'm kind of sad about that. That baby.
I'm pretty sure he's dead.
No, he's breathing. Yeah. It's a blue tongue skin lizard. Then we have...
Somebody come look at the meerkat.
Look at him! Oh my god! so adorable. Oh my god. Those are so cute. Oh, there's one right there. Oh my god, he's on his bed.
Yeah, that one's fat. I like that.
Oh. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right here. He's hiding. Just right there. They're just so adorable. The other one comes around. He's like, bedtime. Sleepy, sleepy. Oh, nappy time. Oh my god. So I actually do not like snake. It's kind of a phobia.
Where is he?
But I really don't know where he's at.
I think he's in the.
I really don't want to see a snake right now. They're just so scary. The one thing that I really hate in animals or insects, like I hate snakes so much.
Where are these guys?
He's probably there having a shower or a cleanup. I don't know. And now we have a python.
Where?
Yeah, well, I think they are out. They just took them out and probably gone for a medical checkup, vacation. I don't know. It's so adorable. Now we're looking at this kind of monkey. Oh my god, it's so cute. And there is one right over there. So pretty. Everybody's chilling today. The only thing that I'm not bothered, but I'm like excited. I was actually excited to see, but there's some of the animals that are not here at the moment, or I don't know.
We're 15 years.
What's going on with them. Like honestly, I wanted to see few the animals inside, but I don't know where they are. Even the snakes, even though I'm scared of snakes, I didn't see any, which is like, we got to see an elephant today. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, such a big boy.
I can take a picture with you.
Oldest on record would be 86.
Okay.
All the way about 50.
Oh, okay. Geriatric then.
Yeah.
Does the elephant has a name?
Her name is Lucy.
Lucy? Oh, that's so cute. Lucy's 50 years old elephant in Edmonton Zoo. Oh my gosh. It's just so pretty. It's my first time seeing an elephant. Well, I have seen elephant in it back in India too, but see the skin? She's very old, dude.
Yeah, you can tell.
You can tell that she is 50 years old. No way. But the elephant's so pretty. Oh my god, that is so adorable.
Wow.
It's an owl. We have a white owl just like we have in Harry Potter. This one's a little skinnier. And it's called Snowy Owl. He's so pretty. He's just chilling over there. We have baby doll Southdown sheep, and they're just right here. So adorable. Looks like they're all shaved. So overall, I think it was not a bad day, and the one thing I would for sure say, you won't get to see too many animals. Some of them they're not here, or it's too cold for them. It's the month of May, so I would recommend waiting until it's like fully summer, and yeah, maybe end of June, and I think you'll get to see all the animals, insects, everything. But I'm kind of disappointed that we didn't get to see all of them, but I have seen few, just like sheep, red panda. It was pretty good.